hiking along the beautiful South China Sea coastline with ancient rocks and a sunlit beach. We're in Macau, and this is John and Fern. Welcome back to the second episode of John and Fern Special in Macau, celebrating the 20th anniversary of Macau's return to the motherland, China. We have Daisy with me today, and what are we going to do?
Well, George, we're going to have a very special trip because we are now at the starting point of the Hac Sa Beach. And as you know, the Longjiaogao is famous for its different rocks and different shapes. So I'm really looking forward to seeing them all.
Right, so I believe not many people knows that Macau is actually a good place for hiking, and today we are going to prove that, and let's get going.
Let's go!
Often crowded and well known for its diverse culture, Macau has managed to preserve its peaceful lifestyle in the southern part of Kowloon. As part of this special series, we're taking on 2 hiking trails in Kowloon and exploring some of the hidden charm of this city. This week, we're going further south. With abundant coastal ecology and beautiful rocks and trees, Hac Sa Beach is one of the 8 new scenic spots listed by the Macau government. Just a few miles into the walk, I discovered a strange stone on the seaside. Okay, so we found a pretty cool stone here. This is actually called the Stone of Prehistoric Man.
Yeah, can you see the side face of the man? So this is the mouth of the man, and this is his nose, and this is his eye.
Can you tell?
Yeah, definitely.
Built along the coast at the foot of the mountains, several sections of the trail can be very narrow and hard to walk. Some large rocks along the way make good resting spots, and if you bring a fishing rod, a chance to catch some fresh seafood. For those that dare, there are some other foods that can also be scavenged. 叔叔，你哋做緊咩啊？
等紫菜啊！
啊，紫菜啊？係啊！哇！ Stretching less than 2 kilometers, the coastal trail takes only 1 hour to complete. It's a perfect choice for hikers looking for a relaxed and short trip. Okay, so we have just finished the coastline trail. How do you feel, Daisy?
Oh, it's really a hot day. But I still have to say the view is great, and I took a lot of photos and videos. Even my phone storage is full, you know.
Right, so right next to the coastline trail is a family trail. So we're gonna walk along it, and then go back to the urban area, and then go home. Yes. So let's go.
Let's go.
Hey Daisy.
Hey.
You look much more relaxing walking on this trail.
Yeah,
how do you feel?
Because I think the route is much easier than the last one we did. So we can see the road here is flat and wide. Yeah, so it's better.
Right, because this is a family trail, so it's much more friendly to a beginner like her. Just before we end our trip, we discovered the largest natural beach in Macau. The beach was covered by black sand for a long time. That's how it got its name, Hac Sa, which in Cantonese means black sand. It attracts lots of tourists during the summer season, but on this winter afternoon, it was quiet and felt more like a private beach. Peaceful and well established, the 1 kilometer long beach is a good destination for a weekend family outing. Okay, so we have come to the end of this episode. It's pretty chill today. How do you feel compared to the last episode, Daisy?
I think it's more relaxing because we have a really beginner-friendly trail, and we still got a lot of stuff to see, like the sea, the rocks, the forest. So yeah, I enjoyed a 2-day trip in Macau.
Right, so don't forget to put hiking on your Macau to-do list. And if you like our videos, follow us on Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you next time. My name is George.
This is Daisy.
And this is John and Fern.
So I'm gonna do a DJ signature jump.
Wow.